Hello everyone and welcome to Monica America. Today we're coming to you from the heart of Loudoun County, where cricket met community, politics met passion, and cultures came together like never before. This incredible event was organized by the Loudoun County Cricket Club with strong support from the Loudoun Republican Committee and the South Asian Business Council of Virginia. And let me tell you, it wasn't just a cricket match, it was a celebration. But before we go further, if you want to watch the full program, make sure to subscribe to my channel, Monica America, and click the bell icon for more inspiring stories and community coverage. This program is proudly sponsored by Cy Mortgage, your trusted partner in home financing. Big Dreams Enterprise, making bold ideas a reality. Capital Films LLC, telling stories that matter. Monica America, capturing real voices, one story at a time. South Asian Business Council of Virginia, empowering businesses, uplifting communities. Visit us, www.sabcva.com. Join today. Be part of Virginia's thriving South Asian business network. Dua Jewelers, where tradition meets timeless elegance. And Anasuda Community Kitchens, spread love through food. One of the most excited people at the event. He played cricket for the first time. And guess what? He hit 2 sixes. No joke, he was thrilled. Let's hear what he had to say.
I'm excited. This is the first inaugural Loudoun Cricket Club Championship. They invited me to captain a team opportunity. My first time playing cricket, but I'm gonna hit a sixer, which is the best shot that you can hit playing cricket. And it's just an honor to be here to participate with the community, have fun with the community. I love cricket so much, I'm playing cricket in the rain. That's how much I love cricket. So I'm excited, we're gonna have a good time, and cricket's in the bod. Let's go!
And of course, meet the man behind the magic. Junaid Khan. He's the captain of the Loudoun United Cricket Club, a passionate community organizer and also running for delegate from the Sterling District. During the ceremony, Junaid presented a cricket jersey as a gift to the Lieutenant Governor of Virginia, a powerful symbol of friendship and sportsmanship. And in return, the Lieutenant Governor's office issued an official proclamation recognizing the Loudoun Commonwealth Cricket Cup, honoring the values of community, unity, and diversity this tournament represents.
So this event was about engaging our diverse South Asian communities for civic engagement through sports, especially through cricket. Because we know our South Asian and Caribbean communities, they love, they live, and they celebrate cricket together. And we were planning this and trying to execute this event from last 6 months. And finally, we have such a wonderful and beautiful event today. So my message for the community is, see, we live in such a diverse area. Our diversity is our strength.
The South Asian Business Council of Virginia was right in the heart of the action. Mansoor Qureshi and Aparna Madirati proudly represented the council. And yes, they even played in the cricket match. Let's hear what they had to say.
I want to tell you one thing that, hopefully I can see this cricket one day is going to be as famous as Super Bowl. So let's hope for that day.
This is Aparna Madirati from the South Asian Business Council of Virginia, and Mansoor and I are here at the cricket event in Loudoun County. It is so wonderful to be a part of this great community event and a favorite sport of the South Asian community. Lots of energy, lots of great positive vibes we are getting here. So I'm very excited that South Asian Business Council of Virginia decided to support this event, and may the best team win this match.
I also spoke with representatives, audience members, and community leaders, all inspired by the shared experience of cricket and community. Let's hear what they had to say.
All right, we're here for a cricket game. Tonight's going to start the night of our tournament, and we've got our ceremonial game that's going to start in about 30 minutes. People are really excited. Really beautiful field from Loudoun County out here at Hal and Bernie Hanson Park in southern, I think it's Aldi area. Terrific area. And glad to be here and hope everybody enjoys their time.
Absolutely. I am profoundly grateful to be here representing Lieutenant Governor Winsome Earl Sears at the Commonwealth Cricket Club event. I grew up playing cricket. I'm so excited to be with so many people from the Pakistani community, the Indian community, people, Americans, people from all over. Australians are here, excited to be able to play cricket, come together. I want to remind you that we just have a little over 60 days before early voting starts in Virginia, about 104 days before Election Day. Elections matter, but it's also critical for us to remember why we have elections. so that our communities can be strong. And this event is about bringing community together and building in great ways.
Well, good evening, everyone. I am absolutely thrilled to be here, thrilled to see all of you here, to see this community gather together. And I'm very excited tonight because tonight I'm going to play my first cricket match, Team Freedom.
Woo! It's a wonderful event. It's so great to see so many different community leaders, candidates from all different groups, school board, House of Delegate, Lieutenant Governor. It's wonderful to have our Virginia State Commerce Secretary here, Juan Pablo Segura, out here with the community, everybody else, cricket leaders, yourself, Mansour, so many great people putting together such a great event, bringing together hundreds of people here, as you can see. You have a good team from the governor's team as well, and then you have Lieutenant Governor Winsome Sears' people out here giving out awards for community engagement and all their great activism. It's a really wonderful thing to see.
Oh, it's great. There are a lot of people. I didn't know what I was coming to, and it looks like you've got a really good group of people who are excited about cricket and who are excited about meeting new folks in Virginia. That's why I came up from Richmond, so that I could be a part of this community and get a chance to talk to people. And I told the crowd when I got here, some of the folks in Richmond said, you know, you're never going to get votes in Northern Virginia, you're never going to win. Not true. Some of our folks don't come up and talk. You know, they pretend that it's a lost cause. I don't think so. I think there's so much that we have in common that I'm excited to spend a lot of time in Loudoun and in Fairfax and in Arlington and Alexandria and get to know more people in Northern Virginia. And I lived in Alexandria for a long time, so it's kind of like coming home for me.
We're here because we were asked to be here. For one, Republicans need to show up to immigrant community events and Asian and Arab events, and a cricket tournament is by far one of the best things that we can do for our community. So the Loudoun County Republican Committee helped put this on and sponsor the entire event itself. I would love for you to be a part of the Republican cause. There's no chance like today, and what's going on in our schools and what's going on in our bathrooms and what's going on in the social life of calling each other by different sexes and genders and etc. This is our community, and you belong to us, and to even deal with these social issues in the 21st century and have to put your kids through these schools like what we're dealing with is very frustrating to me. So here I am trying to do a lot of outreach to the community that we need to excessively express ourselves to.
So I like it very much because this is the first time that I'm going to be attending a cricket game. So this is exciting. I'm coming tomorrow too. Thank you so much.
I think it's a wonderful event and I'm looking forward to seeing some great cricket.
जी आज इस लाउडन काउंटी में हमेशा टॉप क्रिकेट होती है, लेकिन आज हमें बहुत मजा आया है।
वालेकुम जी, ये इवेंट बहुत अच्छा रहा। It basically was perpetuated what our culture is all about. It's about personification of us living together as a community, Asian community. And thanks to Juan Carlos and all the other people, the Secretary of Commerce, and I saw him hit a 4.
I hit 2 sixes.
He hit 2 sixes. Oh, I take it back. He hit 2 sixes. My God, we are so honored to have the secretary hit 2 sixes.
That was awesome. We had a great time.
Tonight wasn't just a game. It was a moment, a reminder that America's greatness lies in its diversity, and unity begins with understanding. As Ghali beautifully said, for the raindrop, joy is in entering the river. That's exactly what this event felt like. A merging of cultures, stories, and dreams on one field. This was Monica America from the Loudoun Commonwealth Cricket Cup, where leather met willow and politics met the people with love and laughter. Until next time, stay united, stay inspired, and remember, this is your America too.